Let's take a look at this Dyson V7 animal. It's a vacuum cleaner, costs around 29,000 or $390 or so. That's the tiny motor that powers it. These are the 5 attachments to it. That's how each one of them looks. I've been using these for a while. This one even has 2 different nozzles. This brush actually spins, which helps in better dirt pickup. It's also quite flexible. That's how the charger looks. That's how it charges. It works with this trigger. You have to empty it when it gets to here. This is the battery, 3 hours to charge and works for 30 minutes. You have to clean these filters once a month. You have to wash and let them dry. That's how the Cyclone design looks. This is how you connect the attachments. Comes with a booklet with the detailed instructions. So let's see how it cleans. It does a really good job. Quite nice. Check it out.